In the last episode, Dad and I went searching for the best patty melt in Arizona and found it in Crown King. We also got lost, but today is a sad day for me. Well, hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Jason Yoder, and this is where I share with you all my travel, my photography adventures. I can tell you today is kind of a bittersweet day, a very bittersweet day. So what just happened is that you know, guys, for those who follow the channel, I do work a lot in different parts of the country and the world at times, and yeah, so I will not be home for Christmas for the first time ever. Unfortunately, because of some COVID restrictions, I'm going to be working away from home here, and I will not be able to make it back for Christmas. So, a little tough, very bitter moment, especially, it's a tough moment when you're not going to be able to spend the holidays with your wife. So anyhow, good thing we have internet, so we can we'll be able to talk whenever we want, and even though we'll be apart, maybe we'll still be together. So that's what's really kind of bitter about today. The sweet part is, yes, I'm taking the Jeep now on its first long distance trip. I know you guys have been watching the channel here these last few weeks. I was just on a trip here in Arizona with my dad, which is really fun. We had a lot of fun together. This one, however, though, I am going to have to leave Arizona. So I'm not going to tell you guys exactly where I'm going to end up when I get to the destination, but let me give you guys a hint of where I'm hoping to be at later tonight. Now, I'll be honest with you, I am leaving like 3 hours later than what I had planned, so I'm pushing it on this one. But okay, Google, directions to Death Valley National Park.
Death Valley National Park is 5 hours and 58 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
And to be even more general, the spot where I'm hoping to camp out is 6 hours, 19 minutes from now. So it'll be about 2 hours after sunset when we actually get there. I have an alternate campsite by these huge sand dunes, but I would really like to be able to wake up in Death Valley and do a morning photo shoot before we get back on the road again tomorrow. So if you see behind me, you probably see there's a lot of stuff in this Jeep because this is a little bit of a longer trip, and just to keep myself safe from COVID, I'm planning. I've got my camping gear with me here, and also have a couple of weekends where I'll be able to go camping where I'm heading for. So that's why I got all the equipment here. And a funny thing, I am passing a BLM area right now, and there is a lot of people camping out there. But anyhow, yeah, so I wanted to take my camping gear with me so that I can explore the area that I'm going to be in, and of course take all of you guys, be able to take all of you guys with me, because I think it might be some pretty exciting stuff. So anyhow, it's just really tough because I know I'm only like 20 minutes from home, but this is already tough. So let's get this journey started and get ourselves to hopefully Death Valley National Park today. passing through a very beautiful area here, but still getting more and more sad as I continue to go away from home. My wife's favorite Christmas music channel is just about gone. So yeah, it's just setting in how far away from home I'm already at. And you know, usually I absolutely love the travel, except because of the length of how long I'm going to be gone. You know, again, this is the longest my wife and I are going to be apart. It's just, you know, it's just a little difficult. But, you know, we know I'm going to be back home sometime here in the near future. So, you know, this is doable. So I'm doing the best I can to enjoy the drive out here. And again, this is just absolutely beautiful landscapes here in Arizona that I'm getting a chance to enjoy. Oh, just wish I could be enjoying it with my wife right now. Well, we are approaching Kingman, Arizona, 266 miles from our campsite. We are 4 hours away from it, so definitely going to be after dark when we get there. So sad to say, it finally completely lost the radio station that my wife loves down in Phoenix. So yeah, we're definitely getting far from home right now. Anyhow, just gassed up the Jeep, and yeah, so we're good for a couple hundred more miles. So we'll be gassing up again right when we get off of the interstate on the other side of Vegas before we head off into Death Valley. So let's just continue to enjoy the drive. After over 5 hours of driving, I finally arrived at the south end of Death Valley National Park. I still have an hour of driving in the dark to get to Stovepipe Wells, where I'll be camping for the night. It is cold out here as I'm setting up camp. I was hoping to be here by sunset, but unfortunately, I had a late start. You can tell that my kitchen on this trip is going to be very basic. Alright guys, well, since I finally got some dinner in me, the tent is almost completely set up. Still got to try out the space heater yet. But the stars are beautiful out here, so I'm going to take a few minutes to try and capture some images before I get ready for bed. Astrophotography is not something that I've had much luck at, but my skills are slowly improving. Here's the campground at night under the desert stars. Well, we'll see how well this works tonight. So it is time for bed. In the next episode, we're going to do a sunrise photo shoot at the nearby sand dunes. Make sure you check out patreon.com/EWJ for my bonus materials, and also click the subscribe button here on YouTube. I'm going to go curl up in my sleeping bag and get some rest. I'll see you all in the next episode. That's nice.